Oh, oops. Oh, oh my god. Ow. Whew. That hurt. Why doesn't my hair look good? Like, no volume whatsoever. I give up? Yeah, I give up. What is up, guys? It is your girl Renny and your girl Sasha. Besito. Oh, sweetie. What a little baby. I love you. I love you. Okay, so today I was gonna do an unboxing haul, but now I'm going to oh, I got a new tattoo. So today I want to do a pre-birthday unboxing haul because my birthday is in like, it's in 6 days. I don't really get that excited about birthdays anymore, but your girl's turning 18. I'm finally legal, and now all the men that I told that I was underage and they catch a case if they keep harassing me can technically try to talk to me on the streets of New York and everywhere else, but I'll still say I'm 15. Anyways, so I just wanted to show you a couple of things that I've gotten in the mail, and just stuff like that. Some is not even like birthday related, but we're just gonna title it pre-birthday unboxing haul just because. So my friend John came over for the first time since he's been back from England and Spain, and he got me a couple of things, which was just so nice. I love you, John. So the first thing he got, I don't know if you guys know, I don't think I've ever shown my keys, like maybe in a vlog, but I don't think I've like told you guys like how much I'm into my keys and my keychains. So I've got a bunch of keychains on here from various places. Some mean a lot to me, some are just like poof balls like this, you know, but I do love keychains. So one of the keychains he got me was this little tiny bear with the flag on it. How cute is he? So he got me that. He also got me the elephant bracelet that I'm wearing right now, that is just really cute and dainty and actually fits my like super tiny wrist. Thank you, like, oh my god. He also got me this armband, which I love. I haven't even tried it on, but we will for this video. I always have to like tighten them. Oh my god, I love that. Ooh, flex. Oh wait, I don't think I not in the position. Oh, kind of flex. Oh, okay. All right, so the next thing I got for myself just because she's like leaning up all against me. I got for myself just because I've heard so many good things about this, and how the heck have I not tried out rose hip oil yet? So I got myself a little thing of rose hip oil. Sasha, don't be rude. Hey. You're so cute. Oh my goodness. I also just subscribed to Ipsy. Like, look at how cute. It's like, oh. So this is gonna be my first Ipsy unboxing. It's $10 a month. I don't know what the heck to buy at Sephora. I'm not a beauty guru, so I was like, why the heck not? Oh yeah, and I totally forgot. You always get like a cute little bag. Good vibes only. Love it. But I got this Ipsy Precise Blending Brush. You don't need to focus on that. Excessive Lash Arresting Volume Mascara from Makeup Forever. I need a new mascara right on time because I don't feel like spending $25 on It's Better Than Sex. Ooh, Marc Anthony Strictly Curls. I've used this before and I've gotten it in the full size. I never repurchased it, but I'll be using this. We got some Comb Clean Facial Scrub. You already got me from Hey Honey. Can you see it? And then the next little thing is the Balm Voyage. Oh, I love all the Balm products. It's a travel shadow. How do I open it? Oh, this is so cute. Wilkeman. Welcome in. I like the color a lot. So what I like about Ipsy is that they ask you like a whole bunch of questions, get a sense of like what kind of makeup you like, what hair you have, etc. So that's always good when you're starting a subscription box, because you don't know what the heck they're gonna send you, to be honest. So I really like this. I think I'm gonna enjoy this every month for only $10. Like, I pay for music for $10 a month, like Spotify. Like, what the heck? When you can get 5 little products, I'm for it. I'm for it. You know, your girl's making her own money now. I'm for it. I think that's all. I'm getting bitten up. There's one on my back. I got 11. Oh, there's one on my butt. No, they didn't. Wait, Sasha looks so cute. I love her. Okay, moving on. Put this, you know, consolidate the trash. So now this is birthday presents from my mom. I just asked her if I could get them early just in case they took a long time. I'm gonna open the one that's already open, like the bag's already open. I ripped it open. I was just too excited. So if you guys probably don't know, but I am freaking obsessed with the Instagram Black Jaguar, White Tiger. I love what they stand for. I love all the videos, and the connection that he has with these animals is just completely insane. Literally #1 reason why I want to be famous, so I can go to the sanctuary. That is it. Like, that's the only reason. So the first thing I got, yeah, they were having a sale actually, so this stuff was pretty cheap. So they were having a sale. Oh, it's a bulldog. Just don't mind her barking. So they were having a sale on like everything on their website. So I got this tank that I've been wanting forever. It's one of the tigers that they actually have at the sanctuary, and his name is Achilles. So I really wanted stuff from that line. I wanted a white tiger tank top that was all white. They literally make everything in black, and they made this one, I think it was either a white tiger or a white lion shirt, but it was a t-shirt, and I never wear t-shirts to the gym, or like, yeah, so I wanted it in a tank, but they didn't have it. So yeah, so the tank top was $12.50 and used to be $24.95, and the sweatshirt I'm about to show you used to be $60 and was $29.95. So I'm very excited. I love sweatshirts. If you don't know me, like, I have 1,000 sweatshirts, but like, I love them all, and I literally wear them all and like use, you know, I'm not the girl that just collects stuff and like doesn't actually use it. Like, I give all my sweatshirts a great amount of love, so I cannot wait to add this to my collection. This is the back of it. It has Achilles on it, and then it has just some blue lettering that says Black Jaguar, White Tiger, and on the other side it says, oh, the same thing. And yeah, on the front it says Black Jaguar White Tiger Foundation, and I love it. It's black and it's so soft on the inside. My mom actually got a sweatshirt for me last year or the year before for my birthday from them when we first discovered them on Instagram, so I thought it was only right that I got another one. Next one I'm so excited about. Guess why? It's Gymshark! My mom also got me this for my birthday, but I'm very excited. I'm so excited, especially because I'm about to go to the gym. I'm actually filming this before I go to the gym, so it's perfect. And that's literally the only reason why I'm filming this before I go to the gym, because I was like, I want to film this, but I don't want to have worn the clothes already. So hi Sasha, how you doing? So the first thing I got was a sports bra to match my Fit Flex leggings. I have the pink ones, the pink band, the gray ones with the pink band. So I wanted to get something that would match, because I only have one sports bra that like kind of matches it from Old Navy, but I want to be all Gymsharked out, honestly. I'm getting so many bug bites out here. Okay, the next thing I got was the same thing but just in blue because I have the blue FitFlex leggings. So just the same sports bra, really cute, really nice material, love it. Then of course I had to get some leggings. Like, what is a Gymshark haul without some leggings? So girl, we gonna be inside in a minute. Like, I don't know why you want to go inside so bad. So I'm gonna try to show you to the best of my ability. Oh, she's gone. But I got these gray leggings. I'm pretty sure they were on sale, but they're just, oh, look at them. They've got like mesh cutouts and they feel so nice. So these are the sleek sculpture leggings in charcoal marl in a small. I get a small because like I was like, oh, like my butt's kind of on the bigger side, so like I'm probably gonna need a medium. Freaking Nikki Blackheader gets a small, so I was like, I'll be fine, like you're good, like okay. Anyway, anyways, then I got some black leggings. I just felt like I don't have a pair of black leggings that I absolutely love, like to the point where like I wear them all the time. Like I have a couple of them and they just like don't fit me the way I'd like to. Like they're like mid-rise or low-rise, and your girl needs some high-waisted jones. So I just got these. They're just normal leggings. I was gonna get the FitFlex black ones, but I just decided to go with these, and these are the Dreamy leggings in black in a small as well. So I'll go over prices with you guys if they have it in here. They don't. Yeah, they don't. So it was, I think everything together was $150 with free shipping. So I really started to invest in my workout gear instead of just getting a bunch of not so nice things that I don't absolutely love, that I don't want to wear all the time, because I can tell which ones are my favorites, and it's really the ones that I spend the most money on, and the ones that last me a while are the ones that I spend the most money on. You know, I'm not gonna go to Lululemon. I say it like lemon because it's bougie, like $80 pair of leggings bougie. But you know, I will splurge and get a pair of like $36 leggings instead of like $14 leggings from Old Navy that I just don't love the fit of. So yes, that is it. That is my pre-birthday unboxing haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed filming it. Of course, I always enjoy filming for you guys. So if you like my unboxing hauls, let me know. I'll do some more. I'm always buying stuff from eBay, and like if I get any money or gift cards for my birthday, your girl is going in. So yes, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. How have you been liking the posting schedule lately? I feel like I've been on point. I've been getting it done. The Fit Friday videos have been coming every week. Come on now. I have videos up until I think the 19th that are scheduled. So I'm really liking the right here. Did they bit me right? That is just not nice. I need to go inside. I need to go to the gym because these mosquitoes, I hear them. We're leaving. Love you. Bye. I will find a light in your soul. I'll be